Frustrated by endless UI tweaks? Haunted by tech debt nightmares every time you customize a shared component? Terrified that a single change could break everyone else's apps? Struggling to balance performance, accessibility, and SEO-friendly code? Switch to IDS and say goodbye to coding nightmares, risky customizations, and performance panic forever.
Thanks, IDS.
Are you tired of endlessly searching for the perfect color? Drowning in an ocean of fonts and spacing guesses? Losing sleep wondering if your buttons match your neighbor's app? Or if developers will ever translate your masterpiece into actual pixels? Switch to IDS, and you'll wave goodbye to guesswork, color chaos, and pixel paranoia forever.
Thanks, IDS.
Are your timelines tangled by endless customizations and UI tests? Buried under piles of tech debt with critical upgrades nowhere in sight? Or perhaps tired of UI results that leave stakeholders wondering if you've all even been building the same thing? Switch to IDS, and you'll turn tangled timelines into smooth sailing. Keep tech debt at bay and deliver UI that thrills every stakeholder.
Thanks, IDS.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, James, and I'm here to tell you about the Investec Design System, or as we like to call it, IDS. IDS is here to help save your development and design woes. IDS is available right now for the unbeatable price of just $0.00. That's right, $0.00. And with our incredible parity guarantee, every component in Figma matches the components in Web perfectly. Same look, same name, same features. If you can design it, you can build it. Guaranteed. Folks, this is not just a one-time deal. Switch to IDS today and you get lifetime upgrades, each packed with exciting new features and components, yours to keep for free. But wait, there's more. IDS is fully supported. If you ever have questions or need help, or just need a shoulder to cry on when, after hours of trying, you still can't vertically center that div, our dedicated team of customer success engineers is there for you.
Have you tried deleting your node modules and reinstalling your dependencies?
Lifetime upgrades and dedicated support, still for the low price of just $0.00. What are you waiting for? Switch to IDS today! Did you know that every IDS component comes fully loaded with light and dark color schemes? Because we care about your eyeballs, day or night. Did we mention that IDS components are 28% smaller than the next leading brand of Investec internal UI library? Smaller size, better performance, faster load times, less hassle for you and your users. At IDS, we care deeply about your end users. Every IDS component is expertly crafted by our elite international team of UX engineers to ensure that they're beautiful inside and out. But wait, there's more! Switch to IDS today and we will include React Native components, absolutely free! Build stunning apps for iOS and Android with the same high-quality, accessible, parity guaranteed UI components. But that's not all, folks. There's even more. Switch to IDS today and you get Angular and React components. So if you like either of those frameworks, you've got the components with the same parity guarantee and the same quality that you know and love from our core libraries. Folks, let's recap. Switch to IDS today and you'll receive pixel perfect parity across Figma, Web, React, Angular, and React Native. Lifetime guaranteed upgrades. Expert support from our dedicated customer success engineers. Light and dark color schemes, and components that are leaner, meaner, and faster than the competition. What more could you want? A free pony? That's coming in next year's release. So what are you waiting for? Switch to IDS today. IDS, your feature design's cold and they're begging you to switch.